and welcome to Channel 3 News. Today we're going to be talking about composting. We have a student here who's an expert on composting, so she's going to tell us about that. Can you tell us exactly what is composting?
Well, composting is making a mixture of various decaying organic substances, leaves, manure, food scraps, grass, worms, and soil to fertilize it.
Great, and what can exactly we use this for?
Well, composting is used in various ways, such as gardening, growing plants, vegetables, and fruits.
And is it better than buying regular fertilizer from the store?
Oh, yes it is. It's completely natural. It reduces waste being used to create fertilizers and pesticides, and also it reduces the waste being brought into landfills.
Great, and can you tell the folks at home how to exactly make your own compost? I think people think it's a little more complicated than it actually is.
Well, folks at home, it's actually really easy. First, you need to construct or buy a container such as this one. And then, this can be purchased near your home improvement store. And at school, we use reusable plastic bins, so that's another way you can use that. And make sure the bin is large enough to contain all the materials you will use to compost.
Okay, got it. What else do we need?
You'll need some green stuff, and that means some weeds, vegetables, plants, grass. You'll also need some fruits and vegetable scraps such as banana peels. And with this you can put in hay, old flowers, and straw, and of course you can put soil in there too. It also helps to introduce the right kind of bacteria that starts the decomposition cycle more quickly.
Wow, that sounds great. Is there anything else we may need?
The other thing you need is water. Your compost should always be damp, and such as like a sponge. We use lids to keep the moisture in. And yes, so one more important thing is that to make sure the compost has enough air. So you can make sure of this by turning your compost in every day or so. And you can also add this really magical thing, worms. It sounds gross, it's not. They're part of the cycle. Okay, so yes, use some worms, and we have those at school, so that will be awesome.
Wow, that just sounds easy enough. Is there anything you could add into a compost that maybe surprise the viewers at home?
A lot of people don't know that you can actually use cotton clothing, eggshells, paper towels, and even paper bags. So from your school lunches, that would be a good idea. And do you remember those, that these are all used in moderation, so you don't want to put too many plastic bags. You have to keep a balance.
Wow, that just sounds easy, incredible, great for the environment, and also cost-friendly. So thank you so much for joining us today on Channel 3 News. That's it. That's all we have today for composting. Back to you, Anne.
Thank you.